So today, it's still Saturday. It's probably, I don't know, an hour from when you've seen the old school retool video, if you watched it or not. So anyway, what I was getting into is the hammer wall. I got an email from a subscriber the other day that said, hey, what are you going to do? You know, you got 1 million hammers. What are you going to do with, well, not 1 million, but they didn't want to be mentioned on TV, so, or on YouTube. So I just, subscriber, they said, hey, you know, you got all these different hammers and they're all, you know, a lot of them need work. I'm like, yeah, you know, I know, but it is what it is. And so anyway, I'm going to dedicate a series to getting these hammers that need it. Obviously not the Harbor Freight dead blows, but that need it. And not some of these, you know, like that's, you know, but like, you know, this Estwing was on my porch, like sitting on my porch. I'm like, whose Estwing is that? And they're like, well, I don't know, take it. And I said, okay. So, but in general, but we're going to start with this one just by cleaning it up. This is an old Estwing hammer too, 16 ounce. My assistant manager at my job, Joe, what's up, dude, gave me this hammer. He said, I got a present for you. And I said, all right, well, what you got? And he handed me this hammer, and I was like, no shit, look at the leather on it. Like, it needs... I'm going to go over this nice, and see if I can soften this up a little bit, maybe. But this has been worked. Like, his granddad, man, definitely did some work. He said he had, like, two other ones, but he gave me this little 16-ounce one. I'm good with that. We're going to start by just wire brushing it. Maybe cleaning the bottom up. It's in pretty, like the leather's really tight on here, so I don't really think I'm going to actually take it apart and mess with it, but I'm going to wire brush it and see what we got going. What a cool find. Thanks, dude. Y'all, we're going to clean this drill up. Hold on to your ears. I'm sorry, this hammer up. Oopsie. I gotta bolt her down. She's moving. Or I'll C-clamp it or something. Hang on. Alright, I got a lip here. I can't clamp nothing down. I'll just be cautious, I guess, of what I'm doing here. hit this with we're gonna stick this in the I just wanted into the cup cup brush for my grinder. Good God. Ugh. All right, so I just want to get the wire wheel in here and around on here, just to get around in here maybe. But now we're gonna hit it with the cup brush. Oh my God. Oh boy. Definitely gonna get a copyright on this one. That's alright. It's all for fun, right? And shut your angle grinder off, kids, before... That must have hit with my... You know what? I gotta get one of them with that freaking switch on the bottom. That wouldn't have happened. Whoopsie. Alright, now we're good. That's the one side. Josie! Whoops. Alright, so check it out. This is the final wire brush right here. Put it on these monitor screens so you can see it better. Remember how it looked? All that paint on there? It's like a whole different hammer, right? I got the... Not bad, right? Alright, well, next time we're going to try to tackle this handle. Maybe a nice fine grit sandpaper. And maybe a little John Deere green in the side there, or CC green as I'd like to call it. We'll see how it goes. I don't know, but I think it came out cool. Thanks again, dude. See you Monday, bro.